Welcome to the Creative Department at Sherburn High School. I'm going to talk you through how you can support your child's success in GCSE Design Technology. Key information you may need to know to support your child is the exam board we use for this subject, which is AQA. The course is broken down into two areas, the non-examined assessment, also known as the NEA, and the exam. Both areas are equally weighted. I will talk to you about these areas in a little more detail later on in the presentation. Please be aware of key dates for design technology. Your child's NEA deadline will be towards the end of March. Your child must ensure that they meet this final deadline, as the work will then be sent off to the exam board. Your child's exam is provisionally in place for June. Once the NEA is submitted, all lessons will focus on further preparation for the exam. P7. As a department, we will track your child's progress closely and will invite them to P7 if they need further support. P7, however, is open to all of our students and we welcome them to attend. Our P7 evening is on a Tuesday. Supporting success in the NEA. There have been key changes to the NEA this year. Students are no longer required to produce a full product. Students are now required to develop and model their final idea and will need to showcase their practical knowledge in their NEA. Ways you can have a really positive impact on your child's success in the NEA are to talk to them about their project, to encourage your child to work to the best of their ability and to meet the mini deadlines given for each section of the NEA, to ensure your child communicates if they need further support with any part of the NEA, to encourage your child to access Google Classroom, as all the support materials have been uploaded into your child's classroom. This includes exemplar material for students to refer to. Supporting success in the exam. The exam content remains the same this year. There are a number of ways that you can support your child with their design and technology exam. You can encourage your child to revise technical knowledge covered in lessons. You can remind your child to access Google Classroom, where all of the PowerPoints used to teach the different elements of technical knowledge can be found. You can encourage your child to use a range of revision techniques, such as mind maps, flashcards, a revision clock. You can also encourage your child to use the revision website suggested. You could also possibly purchase one of the revision books below to support their independent revision. Thank you for listening. We hope this has been informative. We look forward to working together to help your child fulfill their potential. If you have any further queries, please do not hesitate to get in contact with Mrs. Jameson regarding the Design and Technology course.